Maddie! Huh? Maddie, you should be more careful. Look.
Uh-oh, sorry.
Let me show you. You can still fix it.
Let's flip.
Good job, Maddie. Now you can play.
Yay! Emma, look.
Trash?
Oh no!
Huh? Ellie, no littering.
Huh?
You made a mess of my maze. No playing until you clean up.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, you need to recycle. Look.
Huh? Paper in the paper bin. Cans in the yellow bin. Plastic in the red bin. Super duper!
Very good, Ellie. Now you can play.
Thank you! Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Water? Huh? Auntie? Hold on, Emma. I'm playing with water. Stop, Auntie. Look.
Uh-oh.
You left the water running.
Sorry.
You shouldn't waste water, Auntie.
You're right.
Huh?
Hurry, honey, we have to put that together.
Oh no, my maze.
It's water.
Ooh, sorry, Emma.
Sorry, kids. You can't play now. I have to rebuild the maze.
We can help. Like you help us.
I can help too, Emma.
Really? Okay.
I got some. Thank you.
Right here. Good job. Right here. Okay, Maddie.
Good job.
I appreciate your help, everyone.
Let's play.
Ellie, where are you? Thank you.
Super duper.
Don't forget to do your part for the planet.
Ellie!
Oh no!
My train!
I'm sorry.
Ellie, you always
threw in my toys. Ellie, I don't want to play with you anymore.
What happened, Ellie?
I broke Alex's train, but I really want to play with train.
Train toys? I have some. I'll be right back. Look, Ellie! I had this when I was a kid.
Whoa, let me try, Auntie.
Do you like it, Ellie?
Yeah, but I still want to play with another train.
Don't worry, I have another train.
Wow!
Do you like this toy train, Ellie?
Yeah, but I still want another train.
Huh? What kind of train? Ellie? Ellie?
I want a Pepsi train.
Pepsi train? Oh, okay. Ellie, we need to remember to sort out our trash.
Okay, Auntie.
I think I can make a train from these cans.
Huh? Are you sure, Auntie?
Absolutely! I am so crafty.
Auntie, something doesn't look right.
Yeah, I guess not quite like I imagined.
Alex can help. Alex! Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Can you show us how to make the train with the Pepsi cans?
We don't have to make another one. Let's fix it so I can share with you.
Of course! Thank you!
Ellie, we can go out and pull the train.
Yeah!
Let's go! Whoa! This is so cool! So much fun!
Yeah! Eric, I'm thirsty. Let's go to drink water, Ellie. I could do it, Ellie. Uh-oh. Now water for me.
Huh? Kids, why are you wasting water?
Uh-oh, sorry, Uncle Max. Let's go to play. Uh-oh, I'm thirsty again. Let's go to drink water, Ellie.
Kids,
Huh? We're thirsty.
this time water is for sale.
But we don't have any money.
You are wasting water.
Sorry, Uncle Max. I'm thirsty, Uncle Max.
If you want water, you have to tell me why water is important.
Water quenches my thirst.
Very good. Now you, Ellie, why is water important?
Water is healthy.
Okay, that's good. But remember, wasting water is not good. Here you go, Ellie.
Thank you, Uncle Max.
Here's your water, Eric.
Thank you. Thank you, Uncle.
No problem, kids.
Eric, let's go to play. Yeah.
I can buy a water dispenser for the kids, and they can drink water. Hi. I'm looking to buy a water dispenser for Eric and Ellie.
I have many. Come, I'll show you.
This out, Uncle Max. I have a penguin water dispenser.
Hello Kitty, pandas, and these. they even come with these little cups.
Wow, the kids are gonna love them. I'll buy the kitty for Ellie and the penguin for Eric.
Good choice, Uncle Max, but you're also gonna need to buy cups. Check out my collection.
Ooh, wow. I'll get the green one for Eric and the pink one for Ellie.
Good choice. Your total will come out to $19.99. There you go.
Thank you.
And the penguin. Your total is $19.99.
Here you go, Uncle Zach.
Thank you, Uncle Max. Bye.
Bye. Kids, look, water dispensers to drink water.
I want Hello Kitty. I want the penguin.
Let's go. Here's your water dispenser, Ellie.
Thank you, Uncle. I'm going to play.
Huh? We ran out of water.
Uh-oh.
Wait here, Eric. I'm gonna go get water.
Okay.
Uncle Max, do you need something else?
Yes.
Good, because I have these new funny straw glasses. Drinking water has never been so much more fun.
Okay, I'll take it.
But wait, there's more. I also have these silly straws. Huh? Check it out.
Okay, I'll buy it.
I also have these cups with LED lights.
Okay, I'll take it, but I'm here to buy water.
And everything will be $4.99.
We ran out of water and Eric is thirsty.
Oh, Eric needs water? Why didn't you say something? Let's go.
Eric, we have water.
Good, because I'm thirsty.
But you need to tell me why water is important.
Water is good to water plants.
Good. What else?
Water, we can wash our clothes.
Good. Here's your water.
And our body is 60% of water.
That's why it's important to drink water. Bye.